This conference will now be recorded.
programs, uh, but I was not getting the expected output.
Okay.
Like in the for loop, uh, like there's one program called pyramid thing. Like
Okay.
all the stars, yeah, stars asterisks will be coming as output. Like the output was coming in only one line, one row. It was not moving to the other column. It's
Loop.
parallel, yeah, side by side. It was
Yes.
not coming. It is coming in the
Like
next line itself.
Like you should use two for loops, no? For loop inside for loops.
Yeah, I have used.
Okay.
Like I am getting the same output, but in one line I am getting. I'm not getting it horizontally. I'm getting only vertically. Suppose in the first row it has one asterisk, yeah, one star. In the second row there are two stars, and third row three stars.
Yes.
Okay, I am getting it as first row one star. In the second row, I should get side by side two stars. I'm not getting it as side by side. Below I'm getting it two stars.
Like you should give the not println second like a system dot order print. You should not give println. You should give print.
Okay. Print.
Then it will be, yeah, print means it will not go to next line. Like, it will not go to next line. It will print in the same, like side by side itself. Second star will be printed.
Okay. Okay, I'll try that today.
Yeah, okay.
And one more doubt, like suppose if a program goes into an infinite loop, then how do I stop it?
Like tomorrow also we have morning session at 5 o'clock, I think.
5 o'clock. 5 or 6?
Yeah, 5 o'clock. Yeah, ma'am said 5 o'clock. But I don't know why she did that. Like you ask about Prakash sir because she tells to him.
Okay.
Like he will inform you. He will inform you whether you want to change the time or anything.
Okay.
Okay. Today we discuss with the collections. Like
Okay.
these are all like a timer and timer task for job scheduling or another like out of related topics. We'll discuss in one session. These what are the related unrelated topics. We'll discuss in one more session. Okay. Related topics we'll discuss.
Okay.
Like what are remaining topics we'll discuss in another session. Like one more session will take. In that session we'll discuss what are the like we left some topics, no? That will be discussed in one session because that will not take so much time. Only one program it will have.
Okay.
But collections will take some time. After this, after collection we'll go to Java 8 and then we'll discuss the left topics which we left. We'll discuss the topics.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any?
Yeah. I was asking something like if a program, if a code goes into the infinite loop, and the output keeps coming on, it doesn't stop. So how to stop it? Like
Yes. How to stop? You are asking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do like I'll stop the this console. Like terminate, you can like right click on this console and you can terminate or terminate. You can say terminate. Terminate means it will not print. The console will be terminated. I'll show you one program.
Yeah, because yesterday I have tried everything. It was not working.
Yes,
I ran for 1 hour, and
like
after that I manually like I clicked one there's one into symbol, X sign over, yeah,
Okay.
near the red mark.
Like this
Beside
is not,
red mark.
yeah. Like it will not terminate, so I'll stop the console. Like terminate or disconnect all. It will disconnect the output.
How
Like
how
this you
how?
can check. If I run this program, run as Java application. That editor does not contain a main text. Look, see here it is not disconnecting, so I'm going to terminate or disconnect all.
Okay.
Z symbol is there, no?
Yeah. So if I right click in the session, I will get it. No.
Terminate or disconnect. This will be disconnected.
How do I get that option?
Like your voice is breaking, Akhilesh. Like in this console only you can like right click on console.
Okay, okay.
You will be getting the infinite loop now.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you want to terminate that loop, you can go to terminate or
Yeah.
disconnect loop.
Okay,
Or else
okay.
you can directly close the console. You can
Okay.
like like we'll discussing with, today with collections. Okay.
Okay.
We'll open Paint. Like you ask about me the web services, no? Like you should go to the like REST API, right? REST like REST, Spring REST. You should go through Spring REST and SOAP UIs.
Yeah.
You ask me about like about web services. Like you are going with the Java language.
Yeah, only Java and this thing. So do I need to learn advanced Java? No, right?
Like some topics in advanced Java you have to learn. Like we have Spring REST. Spring REST we have in Spring REST we'll be using web services, SOAP UIs.
Okay.
Like you will come to know when you are discussing this.
Okay.
We'll complete this by 2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Because only we left with these collections and this.
So on Friday, the other guy has also joined, right? So
Yeah.
he'll be also completing in 2 days.
Yeah, he completed the Java, but multi-threading concept is left. So
Okay.
ma'am is discussing for you both people the multi-threading concept. Yeah, he is going with now he is going with JavaScript. Like that will also completed by 2. Yes, yeah. I'll show you the hierarchy of this. Actually, collections is a framework that contains interfaces and classes. Yes, collection is a framework in Java. It contains interfaces and classes. See, collection is a framework. Like it will act as it will also act as an interface. Like it is the root interface for all these interfaces. Like collection is interface, and list is the sub interface of collection, and queue is the sub interface of collection, and the set is a sub interface of collection. So collection is a framework. We can say collection is a framework that contains interfaces and implemented classes. These are the implemented classes. Like array list is the implemented class, linked list is the implemented class, vector is the implemented class, like that. These in which are represented in blue color, these are called interfaces, and these in green color, these are called implemented classes. Like for interfaces, we should not create the object, and for interfaces we have the implemented classes. No, on that day we discussed about the implemented the interfaces and implemented classes.
Yeah.
For every interface we have the implemented classes. No.
Okay.
Yeah, for list we have array list, linked list, vector, and stack. And for queue we have, for queue interface, the priority queue is a implemented class. Queue is a interface. Queue is interface, and priority queue is the implemented class. Queue contains some methods. It will be implementing, like priority queue is implementing, like that. Set is the interface. It contains hash set and linked hash set, and tree set also.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we have map also, but map is a key value pair, no? So it is given in another hierarchy.
Okay.
This will contains only the values, like in list and set will contain only the values, but map contains the key and value pairs. So in this hierarchy it is not given, but it is in the collection only. Map is also in the collection, but it is given in another side.
Okay.
And like when we are going with the list will take duplicate elements. Like duplicate elements means if I enter the value 1, it will also accept other one also. Like other one means if I give value as 1 means I gave the name as your name Akhilesh, I'll give. When I am giving same name, and when I am storing the same name, it will accept, the list will accept. Duplicate elements will be accepted by the list. It will contain duplicate elements, like same elements. Duplicate elements means same elements.
Okay.
Yeah, list will accept the duplicate elements. Why we are going for these types of implemented classes means array list is what is the problem with array list means it has some performance problem, because in manipulating it is somewhat slow, not very slow. In manipulation it is slow, and that manipulation is overcome by linked list. Linked list will overcome that problem. Manipulation is very fast in linked list. Manipulation means deleting, like updating. But accessing means getting the values. Getting the values is very fast in array list, but getting the values is very slow in linked list.
Okay.
Like you go with the priority. If you want the manipulation, you go with the linked list. If you want the accessing, it means getting the values. Wherever you want that importance, you go with that class, like that. If you are going with the manipulation, you will go with the linked list. If you are going with accessing the elements like indexes with index values, accessing the index values, array will contain the index values, no? Like array of 0 will access that specific element. That performance is very good in array list, but manipulation is somewhat slow in array list. But coming to a linked list, accessing is slow, manipulation is fast. That is the difference between array list and linked list. Array list also access duplicate values, and it is non-synchronized. This linked list also access duplicate values, same list interface, duplicate values and non-synchronized. But array list is in an insertion order. It will maintain the order. Linked list also maintains the order. Yeah. Vector is a legacy class. Now we are not using, but we discuss with the vector also. Like vector will vector is a thread safe. Thread safe means it is a synchronized. Like it will not allow multiple threads. It will allow only one thread. It will the one thread will complete its task and another thread will access it in vector.
Okay.
In array list and linked lists are non-synchronized. Array list vector is synchronized. Means it is thread safe.
Okay.
These two are non-synchronized. Like this
Okay.
stack is last in first out, like that. In
Yeah.
last in first out data structure, it will maintain
Yeah.
last in first out data structure, like that. And when coming to queue,
Q is first in, first out, right?
yes, this is the data structure, first in first out, like that. It has some like some methods, that's it.
Okay.
Because we mostly use these only: list, set, and map. These are all methods. These are all very least using. We'll use very least. Least time we use these queues and stacks,
Okay.
vectors.
Okay.
We mostly use in collection. We mostly use list, set, and maps.
Map. Okay.
Yeah, sets and maps. And set will not accept duplicate values. Duplicate values means it will not it will take only unique values. Like
Okay.
if I take like this both will not accept. Only one will be accepting. Unique will be accepted.
Okay.
Like if you are taking if you are storing some employee values in database now, you want to store some employee values in database. So it will employee values should be unique now.
Yeah.
Like number 101 is unique, 102 is some unique numbers. It will accept the unique values only. Like when you are going for the uniqueness, you will go with the set.
Yeah.
If you want only the unique values, we'll go with the set interface. Same, it will not accept duplicate values. It is unique, and it will not maintain insertion order. It will not maintain the order.
Okay.
In list, it will maintain the order. But here it is duplicate. It will accept duplicate elements. Here it will not accept duplicate elements. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Here hasset hasset is implemented.
So is tree set is also
Tree
do we
set is
use
also
it?
Tree set is also a set interface, but it is a sub interface of set. Yeah,
Okay.
we'll use set tree set. Tree set will do like sorted. It will in sorted order. It is internally doing the sorting. Will not mention
Okay.
will not perform any operations like sort operations. It will automatically
Okay.
sort the values.
Okay.
Automatically sort the value. If you are giving some value like say my name is Akila. So first I inserted the Raj, then I inserted the Akila. So it will sorted in elements wise, like name wise,
Okay.
letters wise. First give Akila and Raj. Whichever order you can give, that will print in the sorted order only. Okay.
Okay.
That is set. But it will accept only unique values.
So irrespective of
is
the order we give, it will print in its own order, sorted order.
It will print in sorted order, but these two are print in not in insertion order. But it will print in the sorted order, but these two will print in not sorted order, but not insertion order. It will be printing in some other orders.
Okay.
Like randomly it will be giving.
Okay.
Okay. Can you give 1 second,
Yes, sure.
Akhilesh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Akhilesh. Yeah, we'll see some description about hash set. Like hash set stores the elements by using a hashing mechanism. It contains the unique values only, allows null value also.
Okay.
Non-synchronized means it will accept the multiple threads. Non-synchronized means
Okay.
it will accept multiple threads. And it does not maintain insertion order. Elements are inserted on the basis of their hash code.
Okay.
Like during hashing, it will generate some hash code. Based on that hash code, that's it for asset. And we have tree set also. Tree set will maintain the insertion like sorted order. Like class maintains ascending order, descending order we can give. This is also non-synchronized. Non-synchronized means it will accept multiple threads.
Multiple threads.
Yes. Yeah. It does not allow null values, but hash set allows null values. Tree set will not allow null values. Null value means we cannot give in double quotes, like we left like this now. Like in double quotes, we just give and we'll left like this now. It will not accept that null values using tree set.
Okay.
And unique values. If you using set, this will be same. Unique values will be same.
Okay.
And using tree set, access and retrieval times are quite fast. Like accessing and getting output will be fasting compared to hash set. Compared to hash set and linked hash set, because it is in the insertion order now, like not insertion order, sorted order now. So it is very somewhat fast compared to those linked hash set and hash set. Okay.
Okay.
Like don't confuse. Just you remember the difference of set list interface and set interface. And coming to these interfaces, you just remember the differences between these implemented classes. What are the implemented classes in list interface, and go with the differences between the implemented classes. Okay. Like methods are same, but this linked list have 2 or more methods.
Okay.
Extra 2 or more methods it will have, but all the methods are same. Particular class in okay.
We have implementation classes in only list, or do we have in hash set also?
Yeah, hash set also we have. No, not hash set. Set contains hash set, linked hash set, and reset. These are the implemented classes of set interface.
Okay. Yeah, right.
The list will contain array list and linked list.
Array list and list. Okay.
Linked list. Set will contain hash set, linked hash set, and reset. And here queue will contain priority queue. Queue is the interface. Priority queue is a class, like implemented class. DQ is the interface. Array DQ is the like DQ means we can perform the we can perform the operations in both the ends. It will act as an array only, but will perform in both the ends. Here we can insert, from here we can insert the values, or from here we can insert the values. At both ends we can at both ends we can insert the values. At both ends we can delete the values, like that. DQ will operate like that.
Okay.
DQ is interface and array DQ is a class.
Okay.
And we have map interface also. Map will contain hash map and linked hash map. Same. These two are the implemented classes, and tree map will be in sorted order. So it is like it is implementing the sorted map.
Okay.
Yeah. But map is a key value pair. That is the difference. When you are going with the key value pairs, you go with the map.
Okay. So this hash map, if we map is a key value pair, right? So for a particular key, there will be a value. So
Yes, particular
the hash.
is the value. Yes.
So will there be a code generated for that particular value?
Like hash map will, like if we are giving like a hash map, like if we are implementing hash map, we have
Okay.
the separate class like hash map, like we have
Okay.
separate classes and methods for hash map. We are giving some value, like we are giving like values only, it will not accept it. We should give the key and value.
Yeah, we'll give
Yes.
key and value. So
Okay.
So hash, definitely some hash code will be generated, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Like
for
it will before we have hash table, but it became a some legacy, like legacy, it will become a old,
Okay.
so we are using hash map.
Okay.
Here hash is like hash map is synchronized, like it is thread safe and contains unique values only. Like keys are unique values, but the values can be, let's see, keys should be unique, no?
So values can be
if
duplicate?
yeah, values can be duplicate, but keys should be unique. We
Okay.
cannot access if we have duplicate keys, means we cannot access the
Yeah,
values.
right.
No?
Yeah.
That is the code. Unique elements.
So even in the array list also is same, right? The index keys
Yeah,
will be, index values will be different, but the values will
yeah.
can be duplicate.
Yes. In map, it should be value, keys should be unique and values can be duplicate. Like we can give any values like that. And we go with the program. Like today we discuss array list and array list, not list and set. Tomorrow we'll discuss maps, because maps will take some time. Like it will
Okay.
contain keys and values, so it will take some
Yeah.
time. We'll discuss tomorrow. We'll discuss today set and list programs.
Okay.
I'll go with the array list first. Like I'll take one more class and I'll
Okay.
class and show you. Because to complete fast, these are the old classes I have, so array list. List using list interface. I'm giving, we should mention the here type. We should mention the type before generics. We can directly give the values, but here generic topics is like in collections, the generics means we should give the particular type.
Okay.
List integer something li equals to new array list. Here implemented class is array list integer.
Yeah.
And like I have to import. These are from the util package. Collections is from the util package. So I should import the util package. Now li dot means it will show what are the methods contains the array list and list. Li dot means it will show these are all the methods that contains the array list. Here add means we can add the value.
Yeah.
whatever the value. If I gave the integer, no, so I should add one integer value only. Before generics, we can add any, like we can take any data type value, but the generics came after the generics came, we can't give another value,
Okay.
another type value. Like we can use 400. And
So how do we for
Yeah.
okay?
yeah,
But as you said, for updating, it's very slow, like array list. But for
yes,
retrieving or reading the data, it's very fast, array list. So
yes, reading.
yeah. Then how do we
Yeah, you are asking
remove?
about. Yeah, we have the remove method also.
Okay.
You can give the value of that.
But if the if the value is not present, then will it throw an error?
Yeah,
Give
it will.
another value.
Yeah, it will throw. It is not throwing. Yeah, we'll check at runtime. It will check. We'll check. Yeah, 300 is out of bounds for yes. Index.
Did we give
Index.
length as 3? No, right?
No, but it is checking the length. It is checking the length and it is throwing the error like exceptions.
Okay. Okay. Right. I got it.
Like part. Yeah, it is first going through the length and it is traversing and
Yeah.
it is checking for the
Yeah.
300 value. Now I'll give one 400 means what
Okay.
it is. 400 is out of bounds.
So I think first we have to execute that program and then add remove.
I think in remove we should give the index. So it is giving the errors.
Okay.
Now it will not show the error. We have the remove with the index value only.
Okay.
Now it is executed. After removing, we have only 400 and 500. 100 will not be there.
Okay. So we need to print the list.
Yeah,
LI.
list LI. Yeah, 400 and 500 it will show.
Yeah.
100 is mode.
Okay.
Here we should give the index. I gave the value. Here we should give the index.
Value. Okay.
Yeah. It is checking the indexes, so it is giving the array index out of bounds. We don't have 300 index.
Okay. Yeah.
So it is giving like that. Now we can iterate using the loop also. We have iterator.
Okay.
Iterator interface for iterating the loops. Iterator. Iterator. ITR equals to li dot iterator.
So iterator is how many times it does it
Like it will
runs?
like it will take some. It has some methods like
Okay.
has
Okay.
next. Has next means it will check for the elements.
Next value.
Yeah, next values. It will check for the next values. ITR dot has next. It has some method called has next.
Has next. Okay.
Yes, it will check boolean. It is true means it will go to the like we'll take the while loop. We don't
Right.
need this for loop.
Okay.
If you want to print, then you go to the next element. We have next method also. Like you went to your village, you are not getting the interest, no? You are not attending the classes regularly.
Uh, no, it's not like that.
IT or not. Next.
The time I'm in the class, only during that time I'm getting interested. Other time I'm not getting interested.
Like everyone feel like that only. Like not you.
No, no,
Yes,
no.
it is. Yeah. Yeah, this is iterator. Using iterator interface, we can iterate the values. As next, we'll check the val. As next, we'll iterate the loop. If the element is there, it will go to this loop and it will print the next value.
So why do we need to give iterator there? Without giving iterator, can't we?
Yes, we can.
So what is the use of writing iterator?
Iterator will like it is an interface. It will iterate these array list elements. Like
Okay.
using this, it is easy. Using this methods, it is easy, like giving like this many
For
variables.
loops.
Yeah, for loops. I is less than li dot length, like that.
Okay, okay.
Let size. It has a size element. It not has the element like length. So li dot size we can get. Li dot size. I should be less than something like this. Here I have written some lists
Okay.
using string height.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Sorting collections dot sort list one. Okay.
If you want to sort, means you should give the collections dot sort and this list one, like this list object
Okay.
you should give, and this will be sorted.
Okay.
And this is a for each loop, enhanced for loop.
Okay.
Enhanced for loop means we should give the data type first and some variable name, and we should pass
Okay.
this list one here, colon and list one. This will be printed. And I created one more list with the list to integer type,
Yeah.
and same for
Okay.
integers and for this is
Okay.
things like that. And we have linked list also. Same methods it will have, but it will have some extra methods like add first, add last, because it will
Yeah.
follow a double linked list, no? So it has
Yeah.
some extra methods like add first means it will add at the first.
Yeah.
Add last means it will add it last, like that.
Yeah.
Yes. Here I created a linked list string and some object, and these are added. Some elements are added. After that, I printed these elements. I will show. Yeah, first the initial list is empty. It is giving empty. First the initial list is empty. And after I inserted the values, it is giving 3 values, these 3, whatever I have inserted. And adding an element at the specific position, like in a specific position also we can add. At the first position means replacing with a Vijay. I want to add Gaurav.
Okay.
After like it will not remove, it will go to a third position, like second position. See Ravi, and I replace it with, like I added in the first position, so Gaurav is inserted. This one. Like you can know, like it is very easy. Like at position 1, I was inserted Gaurav, and I printed this one, and I created one more linked list with the, I inserted 2 elements in this linked list, and I added this linked list 2 to linked list 1. We can add the second, like we can add any any number of lists to one list.
So we
using
can
add all.
add to linked list.
See, L1 is first linked list, no? First one.
Yeah.
This one first one. No? I created one more linked list, this one, and I added this L2 to L1, this one, using add all method. What are this method? What are the elements it contains L2? This will be added to the L1 using add all.
Okay.
After this one, see what will happen. This one add all. After add all, these are all added to one list.
Okay. Okay.
L1.
So
These are
what will be the name of that list? I mean that list object will
add.
what?
Like add all method will do the two, like it will be inserted into, like it will be storing in all the values will be stored in another list. Like if you are adding, I have L1 already. I created the linked list L1. I have some elements in the L1, and again I created the L2.
Okay.
So I want to add these all elements to this one. So I'm directly adding these. I'm directly adding these L2 to L1.
Yeah.
L2 to L1. So all the elements will go to the L1.
L1.
Yes, LL something. LL is then.
Okay.
Using add all we can add. We will be checking LL now. Is the method, is the elements are added or not?
Okay.
Here it is added. And I created one more linked list, and these are the in the first position. In the I have LL, no, first in the
Yeah, first one is LL.
Yeah, at the first position, these two values will be added. At the first position, these two will be added.
Yeah.
We'll see like John and Rahul. I'm looking at up. Yeah, John and Rahul. At the first position, John and Rahul. At the second position. At first position, I'm adding this LL3. Total list I'm
Yeah.
adding to another list. Using the index also we can add all. This is adding at the first position. Add first means it will add at the first. See, here it is added. At the first. Add first means it will add at the first. Add last means it will add at the last.
Okay. Like in the add all, there's one, you have given 1 comma LL3. So does that mean only one value will be added to the list? John?
No,
Only
no.
John will be added?
No,
So
at
what
first
is the,
the first index, this LL3 will be added.
so first index of LL3 is John, right? John
Yes.
and,
That these two will be added, but at the first index LL3 will be added. LL3 means like John will be added and continued by Rahul will be added.
okay.
Yeah. Like we have a number of methods. If you want, you can go through the API, like Java API we
APIs,
have
yeah.
in Google,
Yeah.
we have Java APIs. You can go through it.
Okay.
When linked list and array list, we'll go to sets. Asset. In asset, will only unique elements will be taken. Here I have added these elements and then I am printing these elements after this. I'm printing these elements. These elements were printed. Like it is not in the insertion order. See, this will not printed in the insertion order. Set is not giving the insertion order.
Yeah.
First I have inserted Ravi. No, it is giving Vijay. Like it is not
Yes.
in the insertion order. And I remove this element Ravi. Then it is removed using remove method. And
But here you are giving value.
yeah,
Is it because it is string?
yeah, it is because string. Before we use the numbers, no?
Yeah.
Like we will see with the index also.
Okay.
Like a set will not follow the insertion order, so it will not taking the index values. I
Index
think.
values.
Like we'll see at index 0 what will be removed. And after invoking remove object. Yeah, no element is removed. See. Using index, no element is removed.
Yeah. Vijay Ravi. Yeah.
Yes.
So if it's if no element is removed, then it should throw an error. Or
Yeah, it should.
is it valid or not? Like that means it is a logical error. I mean, logic is not
I think we have only we can only remove the elements.
okay.
Remove, like we can remove only the objects. Remove. Dot remove. You can only remove the objects. Objects are elements. Like one more
Okay.
time, we'll check with the list.
Okay.
Yeah, why it is giving again Ravi? After I am printing also, after I am running
Yeah,
also, it is giving the same.
same. Yeah.
Before it is removed, but now it is something happened. Okay, we'll check.
Okay. Akila, can you give me 2 minutes? I'll just be back.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay,
Yeah.
Akhilesh.
Okay, then. Yes, Akila, I'm back.
Okay. Like before we are removing the small letter, no? So we don't
Okay.
have the small R, so it is not removed.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, now I'll remove. One second. Yeah, now it is removed. With Ravi with capital R and Ravi with smaller. I removed the Ravi with smaller, so it is removed. It is get removed. And
Okay.
it is removed. But it should give some errors. We will not
Yeah.
understand. It is not
Yeah.
giving any. Okay, using I took one more set and I added these elements to this set using add all
Okay.
method. I added to first set, same like list only. I added to first set. Then updated list will be this.
Okay.
These two sets will be added. This first set one will be added to set. These
Okay.
elements will be added. These elements will be added to the set also.
So here you have given set dot remove all set one. So does that mean all
Yeah.
the elements in the set 1 will be removed?
Yes. All the elements
Okay.
from the set 1 will be removed. Whatever the set contains the set 1 elements, it will be removed. Like that.
Okay, and the set dot clear you have. So which set it will? I mean, what is the use of that particular method?
Like it will delete all the values. Clear means it will clear all the values.
So which set it will clear all the values? Where we have
First
not
set we
mentioned
have.
that.
Yeah, here we have first
Okay,
set
okay,
1. We have
okay,
set 1 and set 2. We remove the set 1 elements
okay.
and we left with set. So I clear the using clear method. We clear all the elements from the set.
What then? The difference between remove all and
Yeah,
clear
set
is
clear. Yeah, remove all means if you have like you are added set 1 elements to set no.
yeah.
Yeah, using remove all, this set 1 elements will be all elements of set 1 will be removed from the set.
Okay.
Whatever the elements we have from the set 1, that will be removed because we are added the elements to the set no. Set 1 elements we added to the set no.
Okay.
Here we have added all the
Okay.
elements to set.
Yeah.
Then what are the elements we have in set 1? That all elements will be removed from the set using remove all. Like that.
So can't we use clear and for the set 1?
Like based on our requirement, it is giving. If you want to remove all the set 1 elements, if you can remove, but you can remove like this also. So all the elements will be removed from the set like that. If you want to remove only the set 1 elements, you can remove using remove
Okay.
all method.
So this is remove. It will
If you want to
remove
remove all,
both the sets.
yeah, it will remove all the elements from the set. Here only the set 1 elements will be removed from the this set.
Suppose I
Like
don't
this,
give that
I have
remove all.
remove all.
Okay, I will
Yeah,
not give remove all. I will say set clear. Then what will
yeah.
happen?
Now all the elements will be removed from the set. Same,
Oh,
but
okay.
here only set 1 element.
Yeah, yeah. I know. I got it now. I got it now.
Yeah,
I understood it.
okay. Like that, we have different methods.
Okay.
We have linked hash set also. Same methods it will have linked hash set also. Yes. Here. Yeah, I'm passing this set one to this linked hash set. Like this also we can pass. Like hash set values, I'm passing to linked hash set. Now we'll print this linked hash set after adding. Yeah, we can give like this also. I created a hash set,
Yeah.
and then I'm passed this hash set to this linked hash set. Now this contains these elements and these elements also.
Yeah.
Like that we can pass. Like we can pass array list also. We'll check with array list. In this hash set, I'll pass list one. Yeah, like this also we can give list elements also we can add to list set. Like different implemented classes objects also we can add
Okay.
like this. I created a list interface and I added some values to this list. I pass this to this hash set. Like this will contain these values also. Like same hash linked hash set and hash set will be same. Like the same method it will have.
Okay.
But linked hash set will follow some insertion order, I think. We'll check. Mango first. Apple. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is following the insertion order. Linked hash set will follow the insertion order.
Okay.
And tree set will give in the sorted order. Whatever the order we give, but it will take in the sorted order only.
Okay.
Yeah. First I inserted the Ravi, but it is giving the Ajay because the sorted order it is taking.
Yeah. So it's
In
taking the alphabetical order.
yes, alphabetical order. And here I have inserted duplicate values, no? So it is giving the one value because it
Okay.
is the set interface is unique, no? It is giving the unique values. I have inserted two duplicate values, but it is giving the one value only. Like that. Like we have a reverse set also. Reverse set means using descending set, we can reverse it printly. Like descending means Vijay will come first, Ravi will come
Yeah.
first, and they will come first, like that. And here we should change some values. That means from Ravi. Headset means it will take some like it's like subsetter. From Ravi it will print like whatever I am giving from Ravi, it will print from Ravi. Headset means from starting it will take Ravi. If I give Ajay means it will take Ajay. From Ajay it will
Okay.
print all the elements. If you give Vijay means after it will not print any values, like that.
Yeah.
Headset means from head it will take some values to
Okay.
last, like that. Subset means if I give some and Ajay, I will bring. It will not take Ajay. And up to Vijay, I want. And it is coming in the loop. I should close where it's inside. Yeah, it is printing in the sorted order first. And initial set will be from, I took from initial set, it will take all the values. Reverse set means it will print from the reverse like descending set from last to first. Descending
Okay.
values it will print from larger to smaller. Descending set will print. And these are the methods in tree set, extra methods in tree set.
Okay.
Head set means from Ajay I want to Ravi. It will take from Ajay and to Ravi.
Okay.
Up to Ravi, it will only take from Ajay to Ravi only. Okay. If I give here Vijay also, it will take Vijay from starting to Vijay. Subset means Ravi and Vijay. Because I keep the Ajay as false, so it is not taking Ajay, and from Vijay it is taking. Like subset means from Ajay is false. After that, Ravi and Vijay will be printed. Like that, subset. Tail set means from ending it will take, from tail it will take from end, tail
Okay.
tail to any element. This element you can take.
Akhila, I am unable to view the output.
Like you are not able to understand this output.
No, I am able to understand. Can you please yeah. Can you please move it up, drag. I'll or shall I move it? Yeah. Not that up.
Yes.
Yes, it's enough.
Okay. This will be subset. And tail set means it will come from the ending, from
Yeah.
tail. We can take one value. Vijay. Okay. I just move to I'll take Ravi.
So what will the tail set print? What will the tail set will give?
Like it should print from the tail itself. And for the method. We have so many methods. Yeah. 3 5 6 7. Okay. Like if we are giving any value, from that value it will print to tail, like that it is taking. Like
Okay.
if I keep the Ravi as false, means from this value it is printing to tail.
Okay.
If I give
If you give Ajay,
Ajay, means from we will get Ravi also, no? Ravi and Vijay, like that it is
okay.
taking.
Can you please give Vijay?
Like Vijay means after that will not have any values, no? So
Yeah,
it is giving the null array.
yeah. I think
Null
we
set.
saw it first.
Yes, null set it is giving.
Yeah.
Like that is good. And like any doubts you can ask. And tomorrow we'll discuss with maths, because whole day we'll discuss with.
What we'll discuss?
Tomorrow we'll discuss maths,
Map. Okay.
because
Okay.
it's 10 now.
Yeah.
Like tomorrow we'll able to connect at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I will.
Sorry for the morning, because ma'am has
It's okay.
it,
It's okay.
in the morning itself she told. I also don't know why she changed the time.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem. And so we can here add this. Mm, we can add sets, and we can add
List.
links
Yes.
list
Yes.
to hash.
Any yes, any sets also, any list. You can add list to sets like that.
Okay.
Like that you can add. If I create one class, say I create one class. I have some.
So we have not discussed Q and DQ, no? Like
Yeah, Q and DQ I will not discuss.
okay.
This same like that only. Only we will just like DQ interface will give and Q interface will give same.
Okay.
We'll add, but it contains some extra methods. That's it.
Okay. So what are the implementer classes for implementation class for Q?
Q is a priority queue. Implementation class for Q is
priority Q.
yes. It will take from first in first out, like that.
Yeah.
Whatever the value we have inserted first, it will be deleted the first.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
Like I am taking one student class. Here I have int ID and string name like this, and I have a constructor source. Constructor interface generate Now we create one array list class. In this, I'm calling that student object. How I'm calling using list. This one. In this, I'm passing the student class using the generic student.
Okay.
Like this also we can do. Student dot
Age. Name.
first we should create the student. Like we directly pass here the values. We created the constructor using fields. No? We
Yeah.
directly pass the values 101, comma, and
Name.
yeah. So, argument is not that student. It should take, but not take. Like here, I should create the object student, space student, list, new student, and I can pass the values.
Okay.
And if I print this one, I can add this object to this li1 dot
Okay.
add of student object we can add like this.
Okay.
Now if you print this li, you get the student values. Li 1. Whatever we have passed here, 101 and a push, it will give. Like it is giving the memory address of this li. Okay. And for listening. I'll type as to li1 student type. I'm passing. Yeah. Yeah. I should iterate using the iterator. Without this, it is not accepting to directly print the values.
Okay.
Okay, Akhilesh, tomorrow we will see this example.
Okay. Okay.
Error. Can we leave? Like,
Yeah, sure.
if you connect at morning, you will be connected of evening also. Like,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to connect at evening? Okay.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, then. Okay, you
Okay.
connect at morning, Akhilesh.
Okay. So both will be discussing different topics, right? In the morning
Yeah,
and
ma'am,
evening.
ma'am is telling about multi-threading.
Okay. And
We
we'll
will
discuss
continue.
the
We'll continue
we'll
the
continue
topics.
the
Yes.
remaining topics.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll connect tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.